Hello everyone and welcome to our look at the JumboTIGER Raised Toilet Seat with padded handles. This riser adds nearly 6 inches of height to make sitting and standing much easier for seniors. You get soft foam handles that provide a secure grip and extra stability during daily use. The tool-free design includes a lid and fits securely on most standard round toilets. It is made from durable composite material that safely supports up to 300 pounds. This lightweight seat is perfect for anyone recovering from surgery or living with limited mobility. Enhance your bathroom safety and comfort today with this reliable and easy-to-install riser. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.